This morning we are at Red Kitchen or 100% in Old Overland Park trying the breakfast burrito. If you haven't been here, you are missing out. This is like the breakfast burrito. Okay, so I got the one with sausage and I got the big one, but she also makes small ones. So, oh my god, so good. You can get sausage, bacon, or chorizo, and it's big.
Thank you. Have a good day.
But yeah, you can also get smaller ones, like small tortillas. So this has egg, sausage, cheese, potatoes, and green salsa. If you haven't been here, she used to be in Lenexa Public Market. Now she's in Old Overland Park. This is gas. You have to come here. Tell me what you think. Bye.